Holy! To fix that problem, we're going to do a quick trick. This is goop. Clear silicone will work just fine too. Grab your handy pliers that you like to cut your axles with, and you fill up the jaws with the goop. And that's okay. You let that cure, let it dry. And we'll take a razor blade and cut it right down the center after this is all said and done. So once your goop or your silicone has dried, this is basically what you'll have. And any little bleed up, clean up you need to do, it just comes right off, just like that there. So you want to take a razor blade and you want to cut right down the center. And this goop takes a lot longer to cure than the silicone does. So really no point in even trying to get that off of there, but I'm hoping it's cured all the way through. And see, we'll start to open this up here and then just run that in there like that. Now, that's your end product. So why do we do this? Simple. Instead of having these little missiles flying all over your shop, which, you know, it could take an eye out, hit a grandkid, a wife in the back of the head. So now, when we cut these, that's what happens. No more flyaways. And you can still use your pliers, as you always have. Works great. Hope this has been helpful. Episode 2 of many episodes to come. Gotta Know Joe, Hobbies Shop Tips.